Ibandla iShinjonji lihlabe ikhwelo kubahlali baseGqeberha nendawo eziyingqongileyo ukuba kucocwe ilokishi iMissionville ukuze abahlali bale ndawo babe nelunda ngendawo yabo. Amavolontiya angaphaya kwe100 angene kwizitalato zale lokishi echolachola inkunkuma. Injongo yeli bandla kukukhuthaza uluntu lwale ndawo ukuba luyikhathalele.
This is actually something that we have been doing for a very long time. We've been actually cleaning up throughout the city of the Nelson Mandela Bay, and specifically today we decided to partner with Missionville Care Centre as we've been working for them quite a lot in the past. The drive really is the importance behind ensuring that we keep our environments healthy and clean. We've seen this as a challenge throughout the city in various locations where storm drains are blocked because of pollution, people getting sick because of pollution, and we saw a gap and we thought this is a place where we can actually contribute towards the betterment of the community.
Elibandla linethemba lokuba emva kwelinyathelo abantu baseMissionville bafunde lukhulu ngokugcina okusingqongileyo kucocekile.
We are cleaning our own community. We are taking ownership of our community. Yeah, because we normally say that the government is not doing enough, the people are not cleaning, but today we took a decision to partner with those that were interested in us to take ownership, basically to take ownership of our own place, of our own area, of our own environment, making sure that we are living in a better area, because if you look at Missionville, it's dirt all over the place, and but I'm hoping from today onwards, we came together as a community, we came together as a care center to take ownership of our own area.
Uluntu lwale ndawo lufumene nethuba lokuba lufundiswe ngezifo ukuze lube nolwazi ngazo.
For those that want to do a TB test, an HIV test, it's free of charge, so we have a private space for them where counseling will also take place.
Abesebe lezoqoqosho uphuhliso nokusingqongileyo nabo bebekhona ukuqinisekisa ukuba yonke into ihamba ngendlela.
As environmental officers, it's our responsibility to be part of initiatives such as these because that's part of our job description. Well, look, it's in the Constitution that we all have a duty of care to our environment, and initiatives such as these are good so that to make sure that we have a clean and healthy environment, which is what we need, because we do not need to stay in polluted areas and children get sick, because as you can see behind you there's a water body, and I know that because I grew up in areas such as these, I know that I used to play in water bodies such as these. I know every now and then maybe kids play here, so if we make sure that areas are clean, then it's not going to be a problem. We're going to be responsible as human beings because that's our civil duty as people of this country.
Emva kwezikhukhula ngenyanga yesilimela kuye kwabangela ukuba idrains zivaleke, nto leyo ebangele ubumdaka.
Ek woon hierso en ek wil ook sien om 'n verandering te maak soos ons nou skoon maak en vir ons kinders wat ook so hier rondwal as om veel ligte in te asem vir die kinders en dan raak hulle siek. So ons kom help vandag hierso om ons environment skoon te maak vir die kinders om gesonde lug in te asem en vir ons ook hierso wat so hier rondom bly dat ons almal by mekaar staan om die community van ons skoon te maak. En ek sien ook dat die center is meer help for ons as a community.
Omnye umhlali wale ndawo uthi baphume ngobuninzi nabo ngelokuthatha inxaxheba ngokuba ungcoliseko luba nefuthe elibi ezimpilweni zabo.
There is not really challenges today. I think it's really going well. I think everyone who is participating today is really enjoying and also really seeing the changes that we are doing. I think when we came to this place it was different. Now I can really see what difference it really made. So I'm really looking forward to seeing many communities also taking the initiative.
Ibandla iShinjonji lithi aligqibelisanga ukuthatha amanyathelo okunceda abahlali, kodwa okwangoku baceba ukwenza indibano nonondaba ukuze bafuthelane ngendlela zokusasaza indaba ezingenkolo. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguphelisa Mkhendlana.